We are Extreme AutoWorks, located in Brea, California, and we're here to help. Originally, our primary focus was on the automotive industry with window tint and paint protection film. Over the years, though, we built strong relationships with many of our clients who would ask if we would consider applying window film to their homes and businesses. Of course, we obliged. Like I said, we're here to help. Now, with our master techs well-versed in protecting cars and homes alike, we noticed a new problem brought to our attention. We received a lot of comments and questions like, if only there was a clear bra for my countertops, or hey, can you put some of that security film on my marble counters? I hate how easy it stains. At first, a lot of this was mostly said in jest, but also sounded like a mini cry for help. So we did our due diligence and found StoneGuard, a stone protection film that is actually made for stone application. It's not a repurposed, pre-existing product made for application on glass or paint. Stone protection film might sound obvious to some and also totally useless to others. We get it. Listen, it's as simple as this. If you have sensitive stone countertops in your home or place of business like marble, limestone, and quartzite, there's a good chance you're getting it polished and sealed at least once a year to keep it looking nice. That's a good amount of maintenance you may not have time for. These fancy stones are really beautiful to look at, but let's be real. They're not very practical for everyday use with how easily they stain. StoneGuard is super easy and quick to clean with just soap and water, sometimes just water, and totally eliminates the need for polish and sealers. Hear me out, we're just like you. We don't just read a brochure and believe what it says. We installed and stress tested StoneGuard aggressively in our own homes before we decided to offer it to our clients. What I can confidently tell you about is my own personal experience having it in my home. I cook a lot. The amount of hot, acidic, sticky, gooey foodstuffs that have landed on my StoneGuard is significant. Not to mention how many times I've taken a hot pot off the stove or baking sheet directly from the oven and placed it directly on my protected countertop. Nothing. No stains, no burns, nothing. Just some basic wear and tear from moving around dishes and pans and pots on top of it. StoneGuard can get scratched, but as long as you're not cutting on it or being super abusive to it like me, it will be a good while before you'll want to replace it. But hey, that's why the film is there, to take the brunt of everyday use and protect the stone underneath. It's not cheap by any means, but it's an investment and you won't be able to deny its effectiveness. Our clients range from high-profile home experts like Heather and Josh from $1 Million Listings that have made their own videos about how well StoneGuard actually works, to new homeowners like my wife and myself who have a little cozy home but still really want to take care of the quartz in our kitchen. If any of this video has piqued your interest, you should reach out to us directly. Ask your questions and we'll be happy to answer them. We do on-site estimates to ensure measurement accuracy, also have the chance to meet you in person, and properly ready you for an appointment should you decide to book. Thank you for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.